Welcome to Bravis Kentel TV, the home of beauty. Here we display and talks about the biography of models in the world. Here is the place you can find exciting model with their lifestyles. Please kindly hit the subscriber button so that you will be part of our family. And we also promote positive body and content, models, lifestyle. We maintain guidelines and privacy. Do well to hit subscribe button, on the notification bell. Stay tuned, we will be uploading more of our beautiful models. Tana is an American social media personality, model, and digital content creator best known for her fashion and lifestyle presence on Instagram and her success as an OnlyFans creator. Early life. Full name, Tana. Date of birth, November 17, 1994, age approximately 30. Birthplace, United States, often reported as private. Some bios mention upstate New York. Early work. Before fame, she worked as a caregiver, teacher for developmentally disabled children, a role she's described as meaningful but emotionally demanding. Rise to fame. Instagram launch. Tana started posting modeling, fashion, lingerie, and swimwear photos on Instagram in July 2023 under the handle @itsbabatana, rapidly gaining a large following thanks to her bold aesthetic and relatable personality. Glamour hype. Social media reach. She has millions of followers across platforms, including over 2.7 million on Instagram and hundreds of thousands on TikTok, making her one of the standout creators in her niche. OnlyFans success. Tana expanded to OnlyFans, where she offers exclusive content and has reportedly built a six-figure monthly income, paying off debt and enabling full-time content creation. Career and influence. She's famous for her confidence, fashion sense, and vibrant personality. Her content spans modeling photos, lifestyle posts, travel reels, and viral skits. Wonderwall.com. Tana has leveraged her online success into a broader personal brand, including entrepreneurial ventures and collaborations. Personal life. Tana tends to keep her personal life fairly private. She's based in Miami and frequently shares travel and lifestyle moments with her followers. She also features her pet dog in her content and engages her community with humor and candid posts. Thanks for watching. Please, if you love what we just share, hit the subscribing button, like, comment and share.